Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change background color on SquareSpace. So let's get started. First of all, go on your site. Once you are in, you have to go on the design, and here you have to click on the site styles. Now you have to click on the colors and go on the edit palette. Here you have many palette editor. You have to select any one. Once you select it, you have to click on the done and save the changes. So yeah, this is how you can change background color on SquareSpace.